Over 270 houses have been damaged by strong winds that battered several parts of the island last afternoon. The Disaster Management Centre stated that around 300 persons had been displaced in Batticaloa following damage caused to their houses by the gale force winds.
Now, these windy conditions developed along with heavy showers that were experienced last afternoon. Batticaloa, Mullaitivu, Ampara, Monragala, Matale and Polonnaruwa were the most affected districts. Several houses were also damaged due to strong winds. The Batticaloa Divisional Secretary stated that 46 temporary houses that had been constructed in Koralepattuwa South, Uttuchene and Vadamune in Batticaloa had been destroyed by strong winds. 300 persons belonging to 80 displaced families have taken temporary shelter at the Uttuchene Tamil School. The Pudukkudiripu area in Mullaitivu was the worst affected by the strong winds. 135 houses have been damaged in the area. Vadinagala, Pallangoya, Devalahinda and Galkanda in the Ampara Damana Divisional Secretariat area were also affected by last afternoon's strong winds. Arlagangwila and Alutoy areas in the Dimbulagala Divisional Secretariat in Polonnaruwa, as well as Boravava, Manikwala and Nelumwava areas in the Valikanda Divisional Secretariat were also adversely affected by strong winds. Meanwhile, 62 houses were partially damaged in Simbalanduwa, Mahakalugolla and 9th Post areas by strong winds yesterday. 2 state buildings were also damaged. Now, what exactly caused this sudden change in climatic conditions which affected several areas last afternoon? Rain-bearing clouds can cause lightning. A downdraft is caused due to such rain clouds. The downdraft was the reason for this destruction. There is a Met department. If the department warned us in advance, we could have taken some precautionary measures. If they say it would rain, it doesn't, and vice versa.
Can't they inform us beforehand? Now we have to perform the duty of the Met department as well.
If we were given an early warning, we could have felled nearby trees to avoid any damage to our houses. Well, according to the official website of the Met Department, yesterday's weather conditions were forecast through its report that was issued at 4 p.m. on the 5th of this month. The weather forecast said that during the next 36 hours, showers can be expected in the southwestern parts of the island in the morning, while scattered thunder showers can be expected in the Uva and eastern provinces towards evening. Strong winds can be expected along with thunder showers due to the downdraft factor. So with rain clouds, there can be instances where strong winds are experienced. We cannot predict an exact location. The downdraft varies according to the manner in which clouds form and also the altitude at which they float.
ටොනාඩෝවක ස්වරූපයක් ගන්න ප්‍රාදේශීය වශයෙන් ඇතිවෙච්ච සුලිසුලන් තත්ත්වයක් කියලා තමයි සාමාන්‍ය ජනයාගේ විවහාර කරන්නේ.
I believe that what was experienced yesterday was a tornado. However, it is difficult to predict such atmospheric conditions. However, we can predict the time frame during which such conditions can be experienced. The Met Department is faced with certain technological constraints. However, we need to ascertain if the available equipment has been utilized efficiently. There have been shortcomings in the weather forecast made by the Met Department in the past.
කාලගුණ දෙපාර්තමේන්තුව පහුගිය කාලෙම ඉදිරිපත් කරපු තත්ත්වයන් වල යම් දුර්වලතාවයක් තියෙනවා.